Alright, welcome back. Today we're just putting the cargo box bin thing on the back of the van. Now, realistically, this is not something that's going to be a permanent mount to the van. Like, originally I would love to get a bumper with a big box, sitting out the back of my van. That way I can put a generator and all that stuff inside that, and I don't need this. This is kind of like a last resort. I think it looks stupid, but it's just gonna last me through the winter. But putting a big back tire, a big off-road tire, box back here, that would be like ideal. And even like a bike rack up top, so that I could put my bike like up here, would be absolutely fire. But future dreams, right? So we got to start small. This is my small step. We've got generator, 2 jerry cans, and I think we can wiggle a little bit of firewood in there too. That's my goal. So we're gonna mount this up. We'll see how it looks. We'll see if we can even open the back doors, but everything looks just right. Like, if it was like 3 inches taller, I probably wouldn't be able to open my doors. So yeah, let's put it on and see how it looks. Yeah, so that's literally all I wanted it for. Probably put, a couple stacks of firewood, but I think for now that's good. I think I'm gonna put a strap from here to there just to give it extra stability. And we've also got the anti-rattle thing, which prevents it from like wobbling from side to side. But we're gonna get all these bolts tightened up because this is just hand tightened right now. I just wanted to see what it looked like. So it looks like I can open my door. That was my biggest concern, was get in here to put fuel in the diesel tank and accessing everything else that's under here, because I've got paper towel, my air pump, things like that. So I think this is gonna work out. Oh yeah, check this out, guys. I got a mic stand and a headphones mount, but I don't know if I like it there, because every time I close the door, it just flies off. But the mic stand works great. Okay, now that I know it works, I'm gonna pull everything off, and then we'll tighten all the bolts and get everything tightened down. It's getting laid out, but you guys kind of get the general idea. This thing doesn't move like it moves with the van. It is tight, it is secure, it's part of the van now. It's got an anti-rattle. I'm gonna put another strap so that it connects from here to the van and then around and then back to here, just to give it a little extra support. These are some strong straps. We'll see how it goes. I just threw one strap on it just to see how everything's handling. This one slides a little bit, but we'll grab some bungee cords and a couple other straps and we'll secure it. We'll figure it out as we go. But yeah, that is the general idea.
Several days later.
Well, it's been a few days. I've had this installed for a little while. I didn't like how out in the open this is, and how easily accessible and how noticeable it is. So we picked up a bag. We're gonna put the bag in the cargo box. We're gonna put everything inside. That way I can load it up with some firewood. So that would be awesome. Okay, I'm extremely happy with that. Everything is secured, everything's locked down. It is locked to the van with a security cable. The jerry cans are both locked to the cargo carrier or the security cable, because I didn't want to put any more holes in this, because I just ran a hole right through this side of the cargo bag and this side of the bag, just so I can run a security cable through the generator. I mean, like, this is so easy. You could just like cut it and then start taking stuff out of here, but hopefully they make enough noise that I can hear them, because my head will be right there. So I've got enough diesel in there to last, I don't know, a week, and I've got enough gas in there to probably last a week. So yeah, when winter comes, I can go park this thing and just hang out by a lake or somewhere, a stream, and just hang out and enjoy life. Hopefully there's enough room for Starlink and things like that. We've got a bathtub, we can have a shower, and it's not going to be that cold because it's Vancouver Island. It doesn't get cold. So we got a few more things we got to get done. And I think I got all the ropes hanging, tied up. Yep. Got it all strapped down. It ain't going nowhere. Even got a strap here. I rearranged it a little bit, like I said earlier. It's nice and tight. Van doesn't seem like it even notices. It's just, it's a champ. It just takes it. But I guarantee you, as soon as I ride down the road, I'll probably feel it on a few bumps here and there, because guarantee you that is heavier than the tongue weight of the Hitch. That I know. Well, as soon as I got everything packed up, I got a few more things to grab in the house, turn off my computer, and then open the gate, and then we'll get out of here. Got a few more things we got to do in town, grab some water. Yeah, but that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. I'm gonna end this episode here, because this is just a strictly cargo carrier install video. So stay tuned for the next video, because it'll be out probably in a few days, because I'm going to start recording the next video as soon as I put this one down. Don't forget to hit the like on the video, the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.